Autism and the consideration of the spectrum is so extraordinarily varied. It's hard to kind of combine it into a sentence or a word or anything of that sort. I think a good word to describe it is individual. It impacts every individual differently, it impacts their families differently. But I think the general feeling amongst the people I'm working with is it's not something that needs to be cured. Obviously there are treatments that would make it easier for the integration of people on the spectrum into the world based upon what issues they have with socialization, interaction, eye contact, any number, myriad of things. But I think that the individuals that are on the spectrum, for the most part that I've dealt with, are proud to be on the spectrum, proud to be individuals that have defined themselves as being diverse, define themselves as being different, and take great pride in being different.